Discover the 2022 Toyota RAV4 LE, a reliable SUV that combines style, comfort, and efficiency. With a sleek gray exterior and a refined black interior, this vehicle has been meticulously maintained with a single owner and no accidents, as reported by Carfax Canada. The automatic transmission and 2.5-liter engine ensure a smooth and powerful drive, making it ideal for both city and highway journeys. Advanced safety features includes a backup camera for easy parking, lane departure alert for safer driving, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and dynamic radar cruise control for highway ease. Available now at High River Toyota, where it's worth the drive.